In this video, I will show you how to start your free trial with Shopify. In the Shopify trial, you are able to customize your online store, starting adding products and do virtually everything you want to get your business set up. Go to the link in the description to get started. From Shopify website, click Start Free Trial. And when you start your free trial, you will need to enter your contact details and your store name. When you sign up to Shopify, you automatically get a free myshopify.com domain. That's where your store will be live when you are just getting started. While you won't be able to change this domain in the future, but you don't worry much about it. Later in this course, you are going to learn how to set up a custom domain for your store. This free My Shopify domain will help you to get started, and it won't be visible to customer once you buy your custom domain. And once you have selected a name for your business, click Create Your Store. And once you have created your store, Shopify will ask you a few more questions to understand your business. Try to answer these as accurately as possible. After adding in your information, enter your store. Congratulations! You have taken the first step in creating your Shopify store. You have now started your free trial. In our next video, I'll show you how to add product to Shopify store. If you have questions about the course or building your store, please add a comment. Do not forget to like and share this video. And to learn more about the Shopify, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Stay tuned.